Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's special video, I'm gonna teach you two steps on how to do screenshot in your computer. So let's get started. First is you need to press Windows key and print screen together. In the function keys, you can see there PRTSC or PRTSCN. Okay? Just have to press that together to do a screenshot. And after that, search for MS Paint here at the bottom search bar. Please type MS Paint and this best match will appear. Just click on open to continue. Okay. Once you are here, just have to press Control V as in Victor to paste. Okay, as you can see, my main screen is being screenshot here. You can also drag this. You can adjust the size, you can drag it depending on what you prefer. Okay, so once you're satisfied, just have to simply click File, Saved As. Here you have the different format. You can go with PNG, JPEG, BMP, GIF. Okay, in my case, I'll be going to this PNG. And you just have to select the location that you want it where you want it to save. In my case, I'll be going to desktop and saved. Okay, now after that, it is now being saved here in the desktop. Okay, so the second step is just have to simply press print screen only. Okay, after that, just have to snip your screen depending on what do you want to screenshot. Okay, just have to drag it and once you're satisfied, just leave it. Okay? After that, go back to Paint again, search for Paint, click on Open, Control V again to paste, and as you can see here, it has this keep going, which I have just mm, screenshot earlier. Okay? In order to save, just click again File, Save As, and choose the format that you want to. Okay? Then choose the location where you want to save. In my case, I'll be going again to the desktop and save. You can also rename this. Okay, let's go with keep going. Then saved. Then close this. And you can see here, just have to open it. Okay, and now the PNG file is there. Okay, so hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.